What is compounding? Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Know and Grow with Mubasher Jillani, where we make money and investing simpler for expats in living in the GCC. Today we are talking about something small but powerful. It's called compounding. And once you understand it, you will want it working for you, not against you. Compounding means earning profit on your profit. Let's say you invest 1,000 and earn 10% per year. After 1 year, you will have 1,100. But next year, when you earn 10%, not just on 1,000, but on 1,100, that's how your money grows faster over time. It's like planting a seed that grows into a tree, and that tree starts giving you more seeds which grow into more trees. That's compounding, money making more money for you. Why it matters for expats? As an expat, the earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow, whether you invest in stocks, ETFs, or even real estate. Compounding growth rewards the patience. Even small amounts invested monthly can grow into something big if you give it a time. But remember, compounding also works the other way, against you, like with credit card or personal loans. So avoid high interest debt and instead let compounding grow your wealth. In short, compounding is your best friend in long-term investing. Start early, stay consistent, let time do the heavy lifting. Was this helpful? Then hit like and share it with your fellow expat friends and subscribe for more financial wisdom here on Know and Grow. Take care and let your money work for you. This is Mubasher Jillani helping you know and grow one money concept at a time.